Hello you guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I am using the Luster's pink line. This came in my curl box. It came with 2 deep conditioners. I just got done washing my hair, and it was a repair and strength conditioner and a super hydrate and shine conditioner. I used the super hydrate and shine in my hair, left it in for about 30 minutes and rinsed. And this deep conditioner has avocado oil, mango butter, and shea butter. It's an intense conditioning treatment. Alright, next I'm going to go in with the Natural Oil Blends Lush Growth Oil. It has castor oil, tea tree, clary sage oils, rosemary, coconut, sweet almond, and lavender oils, and vitamin E. And then I'm going to use their Repair and Strength Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion. I'll follow it up with that. And then after that, I'm going to use the Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel. And this has olive oil, argan oil in it. And this is just a styling gel. But first I'm going to use some water. Now I'm going to go in with the Lush Growth Oil, and I like to put that on my roots and massage it in. Now I'm going to put a little bit of that oil on my ends. I dyed that strip plus the ends of my hair, so I just need a little bit extra protection. Oil is usually used for a sealant. Normally you would go in with the moisturizer first, but I know people do it a different way sometimes, but I tried to do it a little different this time. Then I went in with the Repair Strength Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it.
Last, I'm going in with the Hold and Shine Perfecting Gel. And like I said, that has olive oil, argan oil in it. And I like to rake my gel through with my fingers. I feel like it distributes better that way, and I just kind of rake it through, and it kind of separates the curls a little bit. Then I go through and separate it myself. I just twirl it around my finger just to get a little more definition. So you're going to do this for each section, and then after that I'm just going to go in with my blow dryer and kind of dry my roots and stretch my curls just a little bit, and then you can see the finished product. And if you guys would like to see how I did my makeup for this video, go ahead and check the link at the top or in the description box, and I do a makeup tutorial on my makeup look for this video.